What is going on, everybody? Today it's just gonna be a POV drive. It is raining. It's a little gloomier. It's a little on the gloomier side today, but that's all right. This is more for you guys to hear, like exhaust sounds, pools, the cabin drone, things like that. We're gonna start off with obviously a cold start. I have no destination. I'm just kind of driving and see wherever I end up. So because it is raining, I'm probably not gonna do pools just because I don't want to, you know, like hydroplane or slide, drift. But yeah, I'm trying to be on the safer side these days. So I don't know, like, if you guys have watched my previous videos, you guys will already know that I've said this, but I have no clue what exhaust this car has. Oh, sorry, I didn't even mention what kind of car I had. This is just point of view driving of my 2014 Subaru BRZ 6-speed. Completely forgot to mention that. But if you watch my other videos, then you know already. But if you're new here, welcome. Hello, my name is Jenny and I like cars very, very much. Welcome to my channel. It revolves around my 2014 Subaru BRZ Limited. A little bit about my BRZ. I don't think the exhaust sounds terrible, but I also don't think it sounds great. It sounds okay, like it's decent. That's how I bought this car, with an unknown exhaust. I could obviously tell, like, the car was pretty much stock when I bought it, other than the fact that I noticed it had a different exhaust on it, just because it had those like cannon mufflers, so that was obvious. And then other than that, it's pretty much stock as far as I know, up until I get underneath the car and do some performance mods. Because so far all I've done is cosmetics. So the cosmetic mods that I have right now are the V-Land headlights I just installed, the Valenti tail lights, in focus Sakura red shift boot. What else? Oh yeah, I got some sequential side markers from Amazon. I really like those. A bunch of curvy roads here. Like, this state is so bland, very flat, very one way, if you know what I mean. Everything is just straight roads. issues I have with the BRZ, I wouldn't call them issues, more of an annoyance. I mean, it could be an issue, but I need to look into it. Is I don't know if you guys heard, but there's like a rattle here in the steering wheel, and I don't know what it is. Sorry about that. I had to stop real quick. What was I saying? Yeah, there's like a rattling sound right here in the steering wheel. Obviously when I go over like any type of bump, and when I'm driving fast and then I brake suddenly, like watch, let me show you guys. Now too. See, going over those bumps. It's getting a little foggy. But yeah, I know you guys heard that. Whoa, that cleared up super quick. But yeah, haven't had the time to take it apart and see what's going on there because it's really annoying. It makes driving not pleasant. Obviously the BRZ is still fun to drive. Like, it's not fast by any means, but I feel like any stick shift car is fun to drive. It's a lot better than auto. Auto could be fun too if it's the right car. But yeah, I will be doing that when I get my daily Ford Focus back from the shop. They're working on it now. Was involved in a hit and run while I was parked at home, so that sucks. The reason I don't want to work on it now without having the Ford Focus back yet is because if something goes wrong, or if I can't put it back together immediately, or even simply if I don't finish and then I gotta go to work the next day, obviously I wouldn't be able to. I don't want to catch an Uber to work. Why would I do that? So I'll just wait till I get my Ford back, and then I'll take a look at this and what's going on in here. Hopefully it's something simple. I feel like it is. I feel like it's maybe just something's loose in there. Who knows? If you guys like these type of videos, or these style videos, I guess, let me know in the comments below, or just simply give this video a thumbs up if you want. I for sure do want to do more of these though. And I do want to do a proper pulls video. Like a video where I do mainly just pulls, short pulls, hard pulls, long pulls. Just today's not the day for it. It's raining. It's cars everywhere. I mean, there's always cars everywhere, but mainly just the fact that it's raining. This definitely wouldn't be the neighborhood to do it either. Sometimes the BRZ like pops going from first to second, and sometimes from second to third, just like the little gurgles. Anytime I'm downshifting, really, I guess it just depends. It's more on the lower side. It's more when I'm going slower. Punch Buggy. I'm gonna punch your knee later when I see her. I guess I'll just turn this way. See if it'll do a pop right now. Oh, not really. Damn, these roads suck. Oh, squirrel. Alright guys, that's it for today's video because the GoPro keeps dying on me since battery's low. It's getting hot, so I'll catch you guys in the next one because it keeps dying on me. So peace out.